If you're wondering where to invest your money in 2025, you're in the right place. The markets are shifting, new opportunities are emerging, and smart investors are already positioning themselves for the future. In this video, I'll break down the top investments for 2025, covering stocks, real estate, crypto, and more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, knowing where to put your money is crucial. Some sectors will thrive, while others may struggle, so staying informed is key. Grab a notepad because we're about to dive into the best investment opportunities that can grow your wealth this year.
Let's get into it.
Section 1. Stock market investments. First up, the stock market. With interest rates stabilizing, growth stocks are back in play. Keep an eye on AI-driven companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Google. These companies are pushing innovation in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and automation. Also, clean energy stocks are set for massive growth, thanks to global sustainability initiatives and government incentives promoting green technology. Companies involved in solar, wind, and battery storage solutions should be on your watch list. And don't forget dividend stocks, they're perfect for steady passive income. Blue-chip companies with strong balance sheets like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson can provide stability. ETFs like VOO or QQQ are great options if you want broad exposure without the risk of picking individual stocks. Investing in diversified funds ensures your money grows steadily while reducing risk. Section 2. Real estate. Real estate has always been a solid investment, but in 2025, the game is changing. With high interest rates, home prices are cooling in some areas, creating opportunities for buyers. If you have the capital, now might be a great time to invest in undervalued properties. Rental properties in growing cities are one of the best ways to generate consistent passive income. Look into markets where population and job growth are high, like Texas, Florida, and North Carolina. Short-term rentals on platforms like Airbnb can also provide lucrative returns, especially in tourist-heavy locations. If you don't want the hassle of managing properties, consider investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts. These allow you to invest in real estate without directly owning property, offering diversification and liquidity. Real estate remains one of the most reliable wealth-building tools, especially when approached strategically. Section 3. Cryptocurrency and blockchain. Crypto isn't dead, far from it. In fact, Bitcoin's halving in 2024 could drive its price up significantly in 2025. Historically, Bitcoin has seen major price increases after halvings, so this could be a great time to get in before the next bull run. Ethereum is also a solid bet with its growing adoption in decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs. But don't just look at the big players. Layer 2 solutions like Polygon and Arbitrum are making blockchain transactions faster and cheaper, attracting more developers and users. AI-driven crypto projects are also emerging, integrating machine learning into decentralized applications. If you're in for the long term, consider holding a diversified crypto portfolio and staking rewards for passive income. However, always remember that crypto is volatile, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay informed and secure your assets properly. Section 4. AI and tech startups. Artificial intelligence is the future, and tech startups in AI, automation, and robotics are booming. With AI being integrated into almost every industry, early-stage AI companies can be highly profitable investments. Investing in startups can be risky, but the rewards can be massive if you choose wisely. Crowdfunding platforms and venture capital funds allow individual investors to get involved in emerging companies. Look for startups focused on machine learning, cybersecurity, and AI-driven healthcare solutions. Many of these companies are developing breakthrough technologies that could shape the next decade. Additionally, companies working on automation, smart robotics, and AI-powered customer service solutions are expected to thrive. The key is to research these startups thoroughly, understand their long-term potential, and invest in those with strong leadership and scalable business models. Section 5. Commodities and gold. When uncertainty rises, investors turn to commodities. Gold and silver are classic safe havens, especially if inflation continues. These assets have held their value over centuries and act as a hedge against market volatility. Precious metals tend to perform well during economic downturns and geopolitical instability. But that's not all. Lithium and rare earth metals are in high demand due to their role in electric vehicle, EV, batteries, renewable energy, and tech devices. As the global push for electrification continues, investing in lithium mining companies or ETFs focusing on critical minerals can be highly profitable. Agricultural commodities, like wheat and soybeans, also present opportunities as food security remains a global concern. Diversifying into commodities can add stability to your portfolio while protecting against economic uncertainty. Section 6. Alternative investments. Alternative investments are gaining traction. Platforms now allow people to invest in art, wine, and even classic cars. These assets aren't tied to the stock market, making them great for diversification. Fine art has historically shown strong returns, with works by established artists appreciating significantly over time. Rare collectibles like vintage watches, luxury handbags, and limited edition sneakers have also become lucrative investments. Additionally, wine and whiskey investing have gained popularity, with certain bottles appreciating in value based on scarcity and demand. However, alternative investments require careful research. They can take time to appreciate in value, so patience is key. Consider these options as a way to diversify your portfolio beyond traditional stocks and real estate. Section 7. Final tips and strategy before investing. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your money in one asset class. Spread it across stocks, real estate, crypto, and commodities. A well-balanced portfolio minimizes risk while maximizing returns. Also, stay updated with market trends and economic news. Follow financial reports, expert insights, and economic indicators to make informed decisions. And most importantly, invest only what you can afford to lose. Building wealth takes time, patience, and strategy. Be consistent, stay disciplined, and focus on long-term gains. That's it for today's video on where to invest your money in 2025. Which investment are you considering? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.